Welcome to This Explainer. Today, we're diving into a fascinating case study that literally flips traditional wealth-building advice completely upside down. You know how everyone says you need a million side hustles? Well, we're looking at a 24-year-old who built massive wealth and total financial security not by juggling a dozen different things, but by absolutely obsessing over just one. So, if you're looking for a highly focused, structured roadmap to financial independence, you are in exactly the right place.
We hear it all the time, right? Achieving financial freedom means doing it all. The common wisdom tells us we need 4 or 5 different hustles, varying skill sets, and this scattered approach to capture different markets. But we really have to stop and ask ourselves, is that actually the true path to wealth? Does spreading yourself that thin lead to millions, or does it just lead straight to burnout?
Let's unpack this paradigm shift. It turns out you really don't need to juggle a dozen things. The reality we're breaking down today is that you only need to master one core skill and learn exactly how to scale it. We're going to decode how mastering a single skill, which in this specific case was social media marketing, was systematically leveraged to unlock 7 distinct, highly profitable income streams. 7. Now, this whole journey didn't start in some fancy boardroom. It began at age 17 with this incredibly pivotal piece of advice from his father. It was simple but honestly profound. Don't try to do 3 or 4 things. Find any one thing and become such a relentless expert at it that people literally have no choice but to value you highly. Once you have that high value, the money and the opportunities naturally follow. And that advice sparked a massive search for a future-proof skill.
And that search, it led directly to digital marketing. Realizing the world was aggressively moving online and that this was absolutely the future, our subject didn't go out and enroll in some wildly expensive university degree. Nope. Instead, he jumped into free Google certificate courses. He just sat down and learned the raw, practical intricacies of running Facebook and Google ads at a time when most of his peers didn't even know those tools existed. He found his one thing.
So let's look at how this breaks down. Phase 1, active income, trading time for money. This phase brilliantly illustrates his very first hustle. He walked right up to a local Jaguar Land Rover dealership, someone he actually had a super loose connection with. Step 1, he identified their main problem, getting local visibility on a tight budget. Step 2, he pitched a crazy solution to run their ads for half their current marketing budget. And step 3, the absolute closer, he guaranteed results. He asked for a 25,000 rupee payout only if he succeeded. It was an irresistible offer. And that bold pitch worked perfectly. The ads drove massive local awareness for the dealership. That single, highly successful project basically snowballed into his first official income stream, consultancy. He started consulting for various companies, teaching them how to grow their reach and sell on social media. The amazing part is this eventually required only about an hour of his time a week or even a month, yet it became a rock-solid, steady stream of income.
But here's the harsh reality of one-on-one consulting. It doesn't scale infinitely. There are only so many hours in a day. Realizing he needed to reach way more people at once, he pivoted to public speaking. But stages don't just invite random 17-year-olds to speak. So he relentlessly cold emailed and called colleges. He gave an unbelievable 100 free public speeches just to build his reputation. He traveled everywhere, speaking for absolutely nothing, purely to refine his skill and build authority.
After putting in that massive, grueling, completely unpaid effort, the momentum finally shifted. People recognized his immense value. His 101st speech actually brought in a paycheck. Then the 102nd. He officially unlocked his second stream of income, paid public speaking. Notice this, he was still using the exact same skill, his digital marketing knowledge, but now he was delivering it to 100 people at a time instead of just one business owner.
Moving on to phase 2, the scale phase, leveraging the internet for massive reach.
While he was traveling to give all these speeches, he did something incredibly smart. He documented it. By consistently posting photos and eventually videos of his physical speeches on a newly emerging platform called Instagram, he took a localized event and broadcast it to the whole world. Over 2 years of grinding and consistently posting this content, he organically built this incredibly dedicated audience of 1.5 lakh followers. That's like filling a massive stadium.
Now, what happens when you have 1.5 lakh pairs of eyes on you every single day? Well, brands notice. They desperately wanted access to those listeners, so they started paying him to wear their specific suits or to casually mention their banking or stockbroking companies while he just kept talking about his core skill. He was still teaching digital marketing, but now he was monetizing the sheer attention he commanded. And boom, stream number 3, brand deals.
As his audience surged from 1.5 lakh to nearly 9 lakh followers, his leverage just became enormous. So he activated his fourth stream, affiliate marketing. During his videos, he'd recommend a product, maybe a phone or a tool, and drop a specific link. Every time a viewer bought through that link, the product cost the exact same to the buyer, but the company gave him a small cut. When you have hundreds of thousands of viewers, those tiny cuts turn into a massive, passive income stream.
But his audience still wanted more. Because he was constantly talking about mindset and business, his followers practically begged him to teach them exactly how he built his own brand. So he took his years of intensely focused knowledge and packaged it into a highly scalable 500 rupee weekend workshop. People who trusted him gladly bought a ticket. He paid his team, paid his partners, and kept the rest. This single core skill had just birthed its fifth income source, digital courses.
Which brings us to phase 3, the legacy phase, building long-term assets and businesses.
Think about it. How do you condense 5 or 6 years of deep, single-minded experience into something lasting? You write it down. He secured an Amazon book deal, establishing his 6th income source. He got an advance just for writing it, and when the book launches, every single copy sold generates future royalties. It's a permanent asset that will pay dividends for years, and, again, it's all still rooted in that original knowledge of marketing.
Finally, looking at the entire ecosystem he had mastered, he built a comprehensive, full-service creator agency. He realized other aspiring creators didn't need to reinvent the wheel, right? So he built a business that provides scriptwriters, video editors, upload teams, and data analysts to others. He completely monetized his own back-end workflow. This robust business became stream number 7.
Now, what is really fascinating about this progression is the absolute clarity of it. From acquiring the skill, to active income, to internet scale, and finally, to legacy assets. But the absolute biggest takeaway here is that every single one of these 7 distinct massive income sources stems directly from the exact same root. He didn't learn 7 skills. He learned social media marketing, and he simply evolved the delivery mechanism of that single skill 7 different times.
So, let's talk about the blueprint for you, starting your compounding journey today.
The actionable blueprint here is surprisingly simple, but it requires some serious dedication. First, pick just one interest. It could be coding, storytelling, guitar, whatever you want. Next, dedicate 24 uninterrupted hours to just learning about it. If you spend one full day deeply focused, you will instantly become the smartest person regarding that topic in your immediate circle of friends. From there, it's just a matter of scale. You share that knowledge with 40 people, then 400, then 4 lakh. You don't need years to start. The entire foundation is built in that very first 24 hours of deep, obsessive focus.
By focusing intensely on just one thing, you become indispensable. You completely eliminate the fear of what happens tomorrow because true expertise is literally always in demand. Which leaves us with one vital question to close out this explainer. What is the single skill you are going to stop procrastinating on, stop diluting, and actually start mastering today? Think about it, pick it, and let the compounding begin.